How to say Instagram story without scene. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can see your Instagram story without scene, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to see your Instagram story without scene, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application over here. And once you launch the Instagram app, let's just say that you want to view someone else's story but you don't want to let them know that you view their story. Now from the official standpoint view, there is no way Instagram is not going to let other people know that you have viewed this story. But one thing you can do is, if you have a dummy account and then you follow that person from that dummy account, you can simply try to switch to that dummy account. Luckily, even if they have a private account, you follow them, they accept it, you will be able to at least see their Instagram stories. At the same time, they will not know that it is the real person, which is you, who is actually viewing the stories. It's just a dummy profile, so they won't have any idea about it. This is the only way I can suggest it to you, because so far there has not been any other ways as well. Otherwise, after you load the Instagram app or the story like this, all you have to do is turn off your Wi-Fi, and now just go ahead and view the story. Now once you view the story, all you have to do is simply close the Instagram app. Make sure to uninstall it, reinstall it, and then after that only open your Wi-Fi, and then you should be good to go from there onwards. This way you'll be able to see someone's Instagram story without scene. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.